Hello guys, in this video we're going to be talking about, what's it called? Chaos, magic, and emotions, and how emotions relate to thoughts. We have our guest here, and this is going to be basically a little dialogue that we have. You're going to enjoy him head bobbing and twisting and doing shit like this. I'll just be sitting still. But everybody has their quirks. Everybody has their sicknesses. So, speaking of sickness, chaos is health. We are creatures of health. We're creatures of chaos. If you don't know, everybody is connected physically because we can affect ourselves. We're also connected internally, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually. Really, it's spiritual. It's all spiritual. The invisible is spiritual. The external is physical. Now, somehow, time, which is spirituality, and space, which is physicality, are interacting. Because we ran out of time, so we ran out of space too. And because we ran out of time, we're timeless. We're eternal. Likewise, because we ran out of space, we are existing in a protected place spiritually because we ran out of space physically. So the point is that if you didn't know, you're eternal, and there's a constant pursuit towards a state of peace, and chaos being peace, and order being internal, fake, delusional happiness. So, my argument is this. Chaos breeds inner peace. I'm pretty sure chaos is the fabric of our souls. So if somebody's at peace, they have chaos. If somebody has a lot of delusions, they're in order. And what are delusions though? But the negation of chaos. It's taking chaos energies and stacking them and ordering them and making patterns so that you achieve some kind of selfish high. But that is nothing more than a delusion, right? So when the delusion goes out the window, you realize how much patterns you really have, and it drives you truly crazy. I ask you, my opponent in this debate, what is chaos and what is order? Go ahead.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Such an honor to participate.
You sound very happy to participate.
On big scale,
Yeah.
you need chaos to achieve some kind of order. An example is evolution of the galaxy. First, at the beginning it was primal matter, very even and empty, but clusters of matter that got into chaos triggered the all kind of evolve.
Oh, so first there was nothing but peace and darkness, serenity.
Yeah, thanks to little points of stress, matter started to collapse and evolve, and what we perceive as order or beauty, it's actually temporary islands of chaos, probably. So I don't argue with you.
I agree, okay? Because though we came out of chaos, we arose from chaos happening, the father of chaos, like you said, is a sort of serenity. Order happens to be an illusory form of chaos, which causes delusions. Go ahead, what were you going to say?
Must be temporary too, probably.
You're not somebody who believes in the soul. You don't believe much. I know you believe in emotions and psychology, but that's what I mean when we say soul. We mean the emotions and the thinking and the mental action going on that you can't smell, taste, touch, hear, or see.
It would be good if you call things by what they are.
Well, just the word. So I have this approach. We don't have to get into the spiritual view of things. At the end of the day, I used to be extremely happy until I realized I wasn't really happy because the delusion went out the window. Turns out I was not happy. I was high off delusions. Which is quite interesting, actually. But see, the point is that I had delusions which were order. And I experienced some things, and the order was destroyed because chaos is destruction. And I was left with lots and lots of feedback and realized that I had lots of other delusions. Something aligned in my mind, and the chaos destroyed the order, which made me feel selfishly high. But chaos is destruction. It's also synonymous and associated with things like free-flowing. It seems as though chaos,
Let's say
yeah,
it's a way to sift out what's not good.
delusions.
And stick to what's good. So
Exactly.
chaos, it's like mixing spoon through the calendar or whatever they call it. See, the thing that you strain pasta strainer, right?
Right. Chaos is the spoon that you leave in.
Yeah, you kind of mix things, and what settles and what we keep, that's the product of chaos, which we enjoy, but probably only temporary, because next wave of chaos and next batch of pasta gonna make your current pasta kind of useless, or new iPhone makes old iPhone garbage. So
Yeah.
new wave of chaos sorts what you perceived as good. It's not good enough anymore.
Do you believe chaos is associated with destruction, destroying the order pattern bullshit that
Well, it
hurts?
gives you a new perspective on what's good and what's not good anymore. So yeah, probably.
Chaos is destruction because we're creatures of
Let's say-
destruction. So
Let's say you have house on the ocean, on the beach, and every wave that comes try to, out of chaos, tries to kind of destroy your house, but your neighbor's house, newer, better, it sustained that way. Your house cracks, so every new house gets a little bit better than previous, and you have to thank the wave that made you go for
oh yeah.
improvements.
So the wave destroys what's bad and
Perceived
weakened,
as good,
and then
yeah, and makes you choose something better.
makes you have to match it if you're gonna go with order. Okay, so chaos, we both agree, is sort of is good. It's the primordial state. It's perfection. It's emptiness. It's clear. It's empty. And when you start taking that emptiness and the free flowing energies and building something up, chaos doesn't like that. Chaos says, I want to be free flowing. I'm going to destroy all this. So sins seem to be spiritual actions that create a sort of pattern or order.
You know what else?
Yeah,
Eventually chaos will run out of energy,
it will.
and what's gonna be left, it will be not challenged anymore. Like you transfer your oceanfront house to the peaceful lake, there is no force to improve anymore. There is no challenge. chaos will decay slowly, like sandcastle. There is no force to there is no force to beat.
Yeah, it's a good point. Without chaos, there is no order. Destruction breeds creation. So
Everything will run out of energy sooner or later.
If there is no order, there's no chaos. If there's no chaos, there's no order. Chaos is always going to be there because you can destroy the order, but you can only make order from the chaos. Guys, this is going to be the end of the debate.
And everything is made up information.
Nothing substantial here, but just something fun to think about.